Our region on the east end of the lake Neusiedler See is very, very special. This makes it possible for us to produce these special dessert wines. The Neusiedler See makes basically the microclimate for our area, and all these small lakes around our village and in between our crews make the microclimate. And this together makes it happen that we are the center of sweet wine production in Austria. Our climate is very kind of Mediterranean, but we have a very high humidity because we have all of this water. In our area we have a cool winter, a very moderate spring, an extreme hot summer, and then a very moderate Indian summer. And the Indian summer is the most important to us. In the Indian summer, we've always, through this humidity, we've always in the morning hours fog in our vineyards. But our area is nearly totally flat. So during the day, we've always a little bit of wind, which brings out this fog, and then we have a clear sunshiny day. And this combination is the perfect weather for the botrytis, the noble rot. If you imagine a grape, the noble rot sits on the berry, destroys the skin, evaporates the water, and then the liquid sugar stays inside. And this special thing is happening only in a couple of regions in the world every vintage. So this is something which we have to use. I'm always asked, why do you produce sweet wines? It will be much easier for you in sales or in quantity or in work to produce dry wines. And I always say, the region told me what to do. If I would sit in Bordeaux or in Piedmont, I would produce red wines. But I'm at the Lake Neusiedler See, that's why we produce botrytis wines. That's why we produce dessert wines. And basically in our winery we have two different crews. One crew is near the Lake Neusiedler See. It's the end of the lake nowadays. It's sandy soil with very tiny stones inside. And the other crew is about 3 kilometers away from the lake. This was the end of the lake about 10,000 years ago. So there we have different mineralic circumstances. This is gravelly soil and dark soil, and it's a little higher, which means a meter to maximum 3 meters. And in former times it saved us always because of frost. Frost always goes down, plus we have there these special soil conditions. And most of our wines are a blend of these two crus, because there we get the most complexity in our wines.